Welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open some Twozies baby.
This is a Korean version, right?
Yes, Korea.
You love Korea? You have been there before?
No, I don't want to go to North Korea.
Okay, never mind.
That's bad guys.
This is from South Korea.
South. Don't make it for North because North is getting super mad to Donald Trump. You know Donald Trump, guys?
Yes. You know Fat Kim? Kim Jong-un?
What Fat Kim? Timmy? Did not do anything. Need my scissors. So sad to think about and sad. Can stand up with that. But what is that people baby? I almost cut her leg. I almost, but not. Oh, it didn't. It's not. It's not a dog. I know it's not a dog. I can't. It's a bear. Dog and a bear. Straight right in there. Stand they go. And again, that's background. I see the hard background. Let me put him on the stand. He cannot stand that good. That's why I need him to put him on the stand. Put the microphone. Doggy, stand. You can stand.
Oh, that's
You
good.
give me the wrap. Not that one, this one. To put it back. And also give you the flyer. Have you seen it before?
Yes, we saw it before.
Do you need to see it again?
No, thank you.
It's over here. But I can't put it back. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.